One of the further benefits of a table is that now that Excel has an understanding of your data, it's going to be easier for you to remove duplicates from it. So if you make your data into a table, you'll find in the Design tab that there is a Remove Duplicates button. Now it's really no different than the normal Remove Duplicates button, but it's going to be optimized a little bit because it's a table. The column headers will be known, stuff like that. So if I press the Remove Duplicates, the box pops up. Now it should already say my data has headers, and that's what we want. And you can certainly check or uncheck things. Now, when you're removing duplicate values, the question is, am I looking for absolute duplicates or am I looking for kind of relative duplicates? So if I wanted to look for absolute duplicates, records that are exactly the same as other records, then I would make sure everything was checked, because that would mean that everything would have to be the same to remove a duplicate. If I just wanted to have a unique list of the line numbers, I could uncheck everything and just select line number. And what would happen is I would lose a lot of good data, but now I would have a single list, a unique list of just the line numbers. This is sometimes what you do when you copy the data to another spreadsheet and then you run a kind of a lesser remove duplicate so that you can just get a unique list of the line numbers or the product codes or anything like that. But what we want is a full remove duplicate. So I'm going to click Select All to select everything. Now before I do this, one other thing to consider. If there was any reason why I would want one record before another, if I wasn't for some reason selecting like original sales amount, because that could be different. If I wanted the higher amount first, I would want to make sure and sort a specific way. So when you're removing duplicates, whatever duplicate is the second one or the third or the fourth, those are the ones that get thrown away. The one on top is the one that remains. So if you're selecting all, it doesn't matter because they would have to be a literal exact duplicate. But if I was leaving something out, I would have to choose whether it was important to me to sort in some way so that I kept a certain record instead of another record. So if I select all, I can then say OK, and we'll see what we get. And you can see right here, 6 duplicates were found and removed. 717 unique values remain. Now, what did we remove? I don't know. Removing duplicates doesn't tell you this necessarily. It might have been a better method if I wanted to of creating a conditional formatting maybe that looks for duplicates. That would have been a better method if I wanted to see them before I remove them. But if you want to remove duplicates, this is the way to do it. You press the button, you usually select everything, and you click OK, and now I have a table that has 6 less records, but those 6 were exactly the same as 6 that are still remaining in here.